Dad wants me to raise this up a touch. We fixed it, and we think it might just need a little bit more up. It does kind of look like it's mint.
What do you think about putting some shims or something in the back?
Yeah. Well, do you think we need to raise it?
Raise this up?
Yeah, or do we want to just try to?
Well, that is.
Let's do that. Let's
That's
try to
what it needs right there.
Let's put an L bracket over here. I'll figure it out.
All right. What he's doing, he's got a board there, and he's just seeing if he can make it not lean down. I think that slants. So we're trying to put some support on that.
I think if I screw this into this, it'll be right for you, Pop.
All right.
It's going to pop me in the nose first, but hey. Let me get some big wood screws and, well.
All right, he is mounted with screws.
All right. I think I'm going to try to be smarter than I usually am. I know. I'm going to preset start these.
Smarter than the average bear. That was Yogi Bear from an old cartoon.
Hey there, boo-boo. And if you'd never heard it, that's exactly how he sounded. If you have heard it, you heard it wrong, because that's exactly how he sounded. Just do imitations of people that don't know anymore. That'd be the way to do it. No, it sounds exactly like him.
You could do impressions that nobody knew and claim they were perfect.
Sounds just like my 5th grade math teacher. Oh, it might. I think that may be your answer, Pop.
All right, you don't think it can wiggle out or anything?
I really don't.
Okay.
I think that is the deal. We were thinking about raising it back up, but I think now that it's straight, it's good. I don't think it's the manufacturer's issue. I think maybe the deck might be a little bit...
Okay, you want to do a demo?
Yeah, let's do a demo. All right.
Now, he may have to remove something off of it there.
There's a sweet tea there. And a caterpillar on my sweet tea. Maybe it's now his sweet tea. All right. So we open her up. Yeah, it's warm in there.
That's why they call it a hot tub. You know, if they called it a warm tub, though, it wouldn't make sense. Who would want to take a bath in a warm tub?
All right. That was really easy.
That makes it?
All right, now let's try the hard ones. Opening and sliding it over. Getting it off always seemed easier than shutting it. Coming up. Pushing forward.
All right.
I think that's easy, Pop. I think that was the solution. I think Dad's deck is bowing, and that's what caused it. I don't believe it's the manufacturer issue. I think it's just the deck bowed, so it didn't keep that straight. We could have kept lifting it, but it was still going to eventually get at such of a lever deal, it was probably going to break. So this is a quick little fix. I think it'll work.
That's all we did, folks, is take a board that we had that we'd cut a 45 on and put it down there, and we had the board already cut, so we didn't do that. It was already rebel, and it was the right size.
It all matched. That will never happen again. I mean, we thought a lot about this. This was well planned.
Hours
of pre-tape. Have a great one.